Oh. Mm. 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 God bless you. Oh. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Oh. Now that I have made enough moaning noises for this video, let's get on to the recipe.
Good morning, guys. This is Bosslady Shruti, and today, welcome to quarantine life, first of all. And I won't really say I've been cooking, but I have definitely been, kind of getting a little more into the kitchen. And today I want to kind of share with you 3 really easy breakfast recipes that I've kind of really enjoyed having these days. If you guys know something about me, I love having cold breakfast. I feel like I mean, it's already been a couple of years since I had hot breakfast on an everyday daily basis. I just feel like when I wake up in the morning and I have cold milk and fruits and whatever that I'm going to show you about, it just calms my stomach and it helps my system kind of ease into the day. So that's what I'm actually going to be doing. I'm going to be showing you 3 recipes that you can also make at home, and they are absolutely delicious. And it's just one of these things. I don't know if it's how easily it's available, but if it is available around you, you must get it. It's life-changing. Yeah, let's make some breakfast. So first up, I have all of the stuff that I need in here in my fridge. This is actually one banana that I have frozen. This one is that big Kerala banana, the one that is big and yellow. I like this because it's a little sweeter. Then I'm going to take this. Now this is the secret ingredient. This is the acai pulp. This is from Sambazon. So this honestly is the special sauce in everything. This is such a life-changing thing that I discovered, I feel. So in Dubai, there was this place called Progetto Acai that used to make these really nice acai bowls. That's where I had acai for the first time, and it completely changed my life. And then I saw this in the supermarket and I was like, girl, add to cart. That's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to just thaw it, wait for it to just melt a little bit because I took it out of the freezer. So I'm just going to wait for it to melt a little bit, and then I'm going to pop these in the blender and make my smoothie. I got my pulp and I got my bananas, and this is my blender. Black and Decker. That kind of rhymes. Ooh. You want to make sure that it is still in this pulpy sort of a texture. I put in some strawberries, and now I'm going to put blueberries. I'm going to be using this muesli right here. This is my favorite bag of muesli, by the way, strawberry from Vagaries. Pour it out. Ta-da! I am so super excited to have this. I am super duper trooper excited to have this. I mean, I honestly wish you guys could taste this with me, because I feel almost bad eating this by myself.
You know, I'm the kind of person, if I discover something nice, or if I am eating or experiencing something nice, I want everybody to experience it with me. I guess that's why also my YouTube channel is kind of like my attempt to do that, like just sharing. Okay, anyways, let's just get into eating. Oh. God bless you. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Oh. Now that I have made enough morning noises for this video, let's get on to the other recipe.
So for this one, I'm taking a bunch of chia seeds. Honestly, I don't know the exact amount of this. This must be like maybe 2 tablespoons or something like that. You can eyeball this. I'm basically eyeballing everything. After that, I'm going to be adding a little bit of this coconut almond blend milk into this. This tastes deliciousness. And I'm going to pour some of this into the chia seeds and let it soak and keep it in my refrigerator to soak overnight.
So now I'm going to cut some bananas, strawberries and blueberries and put them inside this. See, nobody else to tell me bless you, so I'm going to say bless you to myself. I know my banana looks really black and, you know, wrinkled. It does remind me of someone. But you know, he shall not be named. I think I have a superb talent of picking out them bananas to be really wrinkly and small, if you know what I mean. But anywho, that's how I seem to like them. So I'm going to chop them up and eat them in my chia pudding. And I like the yellow banana because I don't know, the taste of it is a little, like it's different. Okay, like your regular green banana and this, there's a difference. I'm just going to take 3 strawberries because they're big. Not too many because this shit is expensive. Okay, maybe a few more. And I also have pomegranate. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I love pomegranate.
Costume changer. So today we are going to be making peanut butter fruit bread toast. That's basically everything that's there in it. It's no brainer. You can obviously change the portions as you like, but for me this is pretty filling. Sometimes if the bread is like very big, then I can even just have one and I'll be pretty good to go for like 2-3 hours in the morning because the peanut butter is pretty filling. And yeah, this is my go-to breakfast. I love it. I literally, yearn to have this in the morning. And you must have seen it quite a few times in my Insta stories as well. So yeah, let's get making it. Hola! Okay. So I have already toasted my breads. I like my bread like pretty toasted, so I like them really crispy. It's up to you whether you like it soft or hard. I like mine hard, so that's how toasty we're gonna get today. So now we're coming to peanut butter. I have 2 options. One is the regular chunky peanut butter that you get. I prefer the chunky one because I just like things nutty and crunchy. Or this is the smooth kind of peanut butter, but the good thing about this is that this is like just one ingredient peanut butter. It's not got any preservatives or anything of that sort.
So also this is less sweet than that one because this has no added sugars or anything of that sort. So I'm just gonna make one of each just to like kind of show you guys. So
that's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling. We were falling in love, yeah. Took my heart and you rode off. Was I feeling never enough for you, baby? When you left me chasing you.
You guys already know I love bananas. I think in every recipe of mine you'll find bananas. Let's just get over with it. I've already made enough banana jokes for today's video, so.
Lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
And then I like to cut my grapes in half and place them oh so nicely. And then of course we're going to use some pomegranates, my good old favorite. And I like just like to drizzle it on top, like, you know, be generous with it. And there you have it. This is literally takes like 7 minutes for me in the morning, and it tastes delicious and it fills me up. I usually have this with a glass of milk, and I am a happy camper till lunch. Honestly, this, like, just waking up and having this makes me so happy. And I don't know, it's just maybe the colors and the fruits and everything, and ooh. So all I want to say is cheers. I don't know if I can say cheers for this, but anyways, this honestly keeps me full till lunch because the peanut butter is very, very filling, and I like having like sweetie breakfast. That's why, you know, all of my breakfast options are like fruit infused. And I also like having a glass of milk, like cold milk in the morning, because like I told you, I like having cold breakfast. So yes, I think that is it for today. Let me know if you guys have some other really quick breakfast recipes. Your girl will definitely like to try it in the quarantine time. Like, you know, I'm the kind of person that likes breakfast for lunch, dinner, like all meals. Let me know in the comments down below if you're one of those, because I am somebody who likes having breakfast meals at all times. Yeah, that's why I thought the first thing that I share with you should be like breakfast recipes. So yes, I think that is it for today. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time Mwah makes a video. And like I always say it with me. Say it with me. Keep it bossy.